Welcome to Tooltech Geek. I want to talk about the Roxon Mini Flex Companion. This is a very small multi-tool from a Roxon Flex family of modular multi-tools, which you can remove and add some of the implements. They are removable by this modular system. And this is very small compared with other ones from the same brand, which that's why I like it so much. The weight is smaller. So here's 82 versus the Flex Companion was 114. This is going to vary depending on what tools you have installed. The one that I bought, it comes with the mini scissors pre-installed, and I'm gonna see if I can cut a string. Pretty good. So these are very usable small scissors, and it has a blade that is deployed almost one-handed because it has this thumb stud or such, and it comes left-handed or right-handed. These tools are interchangeable, which I like. So this starts to make it a very good competitor to a Victorinox product because it is basically the same small size. It comes with the tweezers. I will try to extract it from here. This very small pair of tweezers. So clearly this is probably intended to compete with Swiss Army knives, but yeah, it has the pocket clip and the modular nature of the tools, and including a small size exchangeable bit driver, which you can get very inexpensive sets of multiple type of bits. So you can even have maybe precision screwdrivers to work on a phone or something, small electronics. So very flexible because of this way to exchange the tools. I here replaced one of the tools it comes with. In this particular configuration are also a can opener, bottle opener, and it comes with this other implement, which is a box cutter, they call it. It is a blade that's some pretty safe to use because it's short and curved. So I really like small size, the modularity. As a tinkerer, I also like to make my own add-ons. So this is a blank, just a 3D printed blank, just to show you that you can make something and add it. So imagine this, for example, could be just a piece of plastic with sandpaper, and you will have a sort of file of any grit that you want, maybe for sharpening or something. So you can basically make your own add-ons. The tinkering factor for me is very exciting. Small size too. Starts to be basically competing with the Swiss Army knives because it comes with the tweezers and the toothpick. Here is the toothpick, very similar to what you will find a Swiss Army knife. So clearly they are going into that market, plus with some improvements. and the price is affordable. You can buy empty without any tools for cheap, and then you can add whatever tools you want, or just buy these pre-packaged ones that come with a set of tools, which then you can swap. If you have others, you can exchange them, or you can have a few days with you, like in another container, and carry more tools than fit here. I don't know, lots of options. I was very impressed with this.